In this video, I'm going to show you a powerful strategy that you can use to make at least $100 every single day on Digistore 24, as you can see on my screen right now. And all it literally takes is at least 10 minutes of work every single day. And I can assure you that if you stick with me to the end of this video, you will have everything you need to start making passive income on Digistore 24. And if you are new to this channel, I make videos about how to make money online. And if you like this type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. And also make sure to check out the first link in the description. It's going to bring you to this page where you can enroll for this course and start making money in passive income with CPA marketing and affiliate marketing. Okay. So what you want to do is very, very simple. The first thing you want to do is to create a Digistore 24 account if you don't have one already. And once you have your Digistore 24 account created, all you just need to do is to pick a niche. And you can literally pick a niche by coming over to the marketplace section right here. So if you do that, you are going to see a bunch of niches available right here that you can pick product from and start promoting right away. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be taking the health and fitness niche as an example, but this method is going to work for whatever niche you decide to go with. Okay, so all I'm just going to do from here is to click on this health and fitness right here. And once I do that, I'm going to see a bunch of products that I can start promoting right away. All I just need to do is to click on this button right here and I'll be able to promote that product. As you can see, this product right here, the ultimate keto meal plan product right here, I'm going to get paid 26 Canadian dollars whenever I make any sale on this product. Okay, so literally all I just need is 5 sales a day and I'll be making $100. So the next thing you want to do is to basically go over to Reddit and you want to type in your niche right here. So since I'm using the weight loss niche as an example, I'm just going to type in weight loss right here. As you can see, there are so many subreddits that I can select right here. And you want to think of a subreddit as a Facebook group where people who are interested in similar content come together to discuss and try to help each other out to solve their problem. Okay, so basically this one right here, as you can see, there are subreddits with a lot of subs and there are some with little sub. You can see this one right here has over 32,000 members and this one has just 2.3k members. You can see another one with over 49,000 members right here. So I'm going to be taking this one right here as an example. So if I click on this subreddit as an example, so as you can see right here, they have over 49,000 members. So what you want to do from here is to basically go over to Facebook and you want to create a Facebook group in this niche. So all you just need to do is to click on this menu section right here and you want to click on this create group right here. So once you click on that, you want to basically give your Facebook group a name. All right. So basically I just use XB weight loss tip here as an example, and you want to make sure the privacy is selected to public. And then the next thing you want to do is to basically click on this create button right here. So the next thing you want to do is to optimize your Facebook group. So now you want to change this banner image to something related to whatever niche you are promoting. And to do that, all you need to do is to go over to pexels.com and you want to type in your niche right here and you can get thousands of images that you can use for absolutely free without any copyright issues. So I'm going to take one of these as an example. So I'm going to take this one right here as an example. All I just need to do is to click on this free download right here. Okay, so once it's downloaded, all I just need to do is to upload it right here. You want to click on this edit button right here and you want to click on upload photo and you want to locate the photo on your device and you want to upload it. So once it's uploaded, all you just need to do is to adjust the image properly, something like this, and you want to click on save. So once that is done, the next thing now is to add a few content to your group so that it makes it enticing for people to want to join the group. Now to get content is absolutely easy. All you just need to do is to go over to plrplr.com. As you can see right here, free PLR articles that you can use for absolutely free as if they were your own. So now all you just need to do is to locate whatever niche you are into right here. Okay. So basically I'm going to look for fitness articles right here that I can use for absolutely free. So basically, as you can see, this is health and fitness right here. So if I click on health and fitness, as you can see right here, I'm going to see a bunch of articles that I can use for absolutely free. So I'm going to be taking this article here as an example. This one which says 7 tips for a long and healthy life. So I'm going to click on this right here as an example. So all I just need to do is to copy this title right here, and I'm going to go back to my Facebook group. And you want to come over to this section right here. You want to basically paste the title of this article right here, and then you want to go back and copy the whole of this article. So once you copy that, you want to go back to your Facebook group and you want to paste it right here. So once that is done, all you just need to do is click on post. All right, so as you can see right here, this article has been posted on this Facebook group. All right, so now basically that is all you need to do. You want to post at least 3 articles on your Facebook group. So the next thing you want to do is to basically scroll down and you want to click on this group settings right here, and you want to basically come over to this section that says new member intro. Okay, you want to click on that and you want to click on this get started. So basically this is going to show a message to people when they join your group for the first time. So once this opens up, you want to basically go over to Google and you want to type in something like tips for weight loss, and you want to open the first article on Google. So once you do that, all you just need to do from here is to basically now go over to Google Docs. So once you come over to Google Docs, you want to create a blank document. And from there, you want to go back here, and basically all you just need to do is to copy the whole of this article right here. So once you copy that, you want to basically paste it right here. So once you do that, as you can see right here, 12 tips to help you lose weight. So basically at the bottom of this page, you want to basically type in something like my #1 recommendation to lose weight fast. And you want to highlight this and you want to click on this link right here. And then you want to go back to your Digistore 24 to copy your link. And basically all you just need to do is to paste in your link right here and you want to click on apply. So basically you want to paste this link a few times on this article right here. All right, so basically you can paste it at the beginning of this post right here, and basically you can paste it somewhere here as well, so that once they are going through this article, they get to see your link, and once they click on this link, they'll be taken to this page right here, and once they purchase this product, you make $26. All right, so once you're done, all you just need to do is to click on this share button right here. So once you do that, you want to basically change this restricted. All right, you want to change it to anyone with link, and you want to copy this link right here. So after copying this link, you want to go back to Facebook and you want to type in 12 tips to help you lose weight. We highly recommend you save these tips and apply them every single day to lose weight. And here you want to paste in the link to the Google Docs right here. So basically all you just need to do is to click on publish right here. So once they click on this link, they will be brought to this page right here where they get to see this recommendation right here. And if they click on the link, they will be taken to Digistore 24 where they can purchase this product and you make money. So basically now to drive traffic, all you just need to do is to go over to Reddit. And once you come over to Reddit right here, and I don't recommend you coming over to Reddit to spam your link because that will never work. So basically what you want to do once you join this Reddit is to basically make sure you don't violate their rules. So once you come over to the Reddit, you want to make sure you click on join the Reddit. So once you join the Reddit, all you just need to do is to click on this create a post right here. So once you click on create a post, so basically you want to write something like this: my contribution to the weight loss community. So basically you are letting the subreddit know that you are not coming here to spam your CPA or affiliate link, and you want to write something like, hello guys, I created a new Facebook group dedicated for people who are trying to lose weight. And the sole purpose of this group is to share helpful tips and tricks that has worked for each other. And I hope you guys join. It's completely free and it will help raise awareness. And you want to highlight this, click here to join. And you want to click on this link right here. And you want to paste your Facebook group link right here. And you want to click on insert. So once you do that, and once people click on this link, they will come over to your Facebook group. And this is the first message they will see right here. Okay, so once they see this message and they click on this link to read it, as you can see right here, they will be brought to this page right here. So basically this is the post you are going to share across various subreddits in whatever niche you are working with. Okay, so basically this is how you drive traffic from Reddit to your Facebook group and convert them to income. So basically that brings us to the end of today's video. And if you find any value, please drop a like on this video. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.